Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you the secret step-by-step process of earning $20,000 per month with Ghost Commerce. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. I know what you're thinking, and no, this kind of ghost is not the one that haunts you at night, it's the kind of ghost that fills your pocket while you sleep. Yet, still sounds creepy. Anyway, let's answer your question. What is Ghost Commerce? Ghost Commerce refers to establishing a brand centered around a particular topic or audience and capitalizing on it through high-leverage methods that don't necessitate the creation of physical products or services. In this approach, you can generate multiple income streams by developing digital assets that connect your audience with valuable solutions to their problems. These digital assets serve as a means to monetize your brand indirectly, allowing you to derive revenue from avenues such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, advertising, and even direct sales of the digital assets themselves. With the advent of technology and the evolving landscape of social media, entering the realm of ghost commerce has become increasingly accessible, presenting immense potential for financial success. Here are a few examples of ghost commerce. YouTube channel enables you to monetize through advertisements displayed on your videos. Businesses pay you to feature their content in your post, stories, or collaborations on your Instagram page. Brand partnerships can also be established. You can sell user data to lead generation companies by operating a blog or website. A Facebook page or profile can also be a conduit for promoting various affiliate products. Ghost commerce brands offer a unique advantage. You can build a successful brand without necessarily showing your face. This is particularly beneficial for those who prefer to remain anonymous. As a beginner, one of the most suitable ways to monetize your ghost commerce brand is through affiliate marketing, which has the potential to generate a monthly income of almost $20,000. Ultimately, the essence of ghost commerce is as simple as helping people find solutions to their problems, which is the core principle we will delve into today. The ghost commerce business model can be broken down into 4 simple steps: brand, traffic, conversion, and profit. Let's explore each step in more detail. Your brand is the foundation of your ghost commerce business. It involves establishing a unique identity and providing your specific audience with valuable education, entertainment, and information. Building a solid brand can cultivate a loyal following and differentiate you from competitors. Generating traffic is crucial for the success of your ghost commerce business. You can attract traffic organically through techniques like search engine optimization, content marketing, social media engagement, and building an email list. You can also opt for paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your brand. Conversion refers to leading your audience through a specific process that fulfills their needs or desires in exchange for payment. This can involve offering products, services, or digital assets that address their problems or provide solutions. The final step is to maximize your brand's monetization potential and turn your traffic into revenue. Now that we understand the breakdown of ghost commerce, let's focus on the first step: defining your brand. A personal brand is the easiest option because it's all about showcasing your unique self. You become the face and identity of your brand. Personal brands are meant to be personal, and using your name or a variation is a common and practical approach. If you struggle, don't hesitate to embrace your name or find a creative interpretation that represents you. Another brand type is a faceless brand, which is particularly appealing to those who prefer not to show their face when starting out. The advantage of a faceless brand is that you can maintain complete anonymity and nobody needs to know that you're behind it. The third brand type is a business brand, which often involves someone acting as the face of the brand. This individual helps give the brand personality, creating a strong association between the person or a mascot and the brand itself. To monetize your ghost commerce brand effectively, consider setting it up on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. Each platform has its strengths, so choose one, commit to it, and become an expert. Now, let's discuss the crucial aspect of traffic generation. This is often the stage where many people struggle, leading them to delay or avoid getting started. However, I want to emphasize that it can be simple and not as challenging as it may seem. When starting out, choose one platform and focusing on mastering it before diversifying your efforts is advisable. Generating traffic is crucial for the success of your ghost commerce brand. To simplify the process, start by mastering one platform before expanding. Search-based marketing is a highly effective approach. leveraging popular keywords to attract audiences even with a small following. Understanding what people are searching for and offering valuable solutions can increase visibility and grow your audience. Affiliate partners are essential for taking your marketing efforts to the next level. They handle the operational aspects, ensuring your audience is well served while you earn a living. Affiliate marketing is powerful for beginners as it allows you to focus on promotion without the complexities of running an entire business. It's a win-win situation for earning income and providing value to your audience. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Conversion is a crucial step in the ghost commerce business model, where you guide your audience through a specific process that fulfills their needs or desires in exchange for payment. To optimize your conversion rates, consider implementing the following strategies. Create a well-designed sales funnel that takes your audience through several steps, gradually building trust and providing value. This can include offering free content, lead magnets, or low-cost products to nurture relationships and ultimately lead to higher value purchases. Build an email list and leverage the power of email marketing to communicate with your audience. Regularly send engaging and personalized content that establishes your expertise, showcases relevant products or services, and encourages conversions. Offer valuable resources or content upgrades such as ebooks, guides, templates, or exclusive access in exchange for your audience's contact information. This helps build your email list and allows you to nurture leads and convert them into paying customers. Use clear and persuasive calls to action in your content, guiding your audience to take specific actions. CTAs should be exciting, well-placed, and relevant to the content and the desired conversion goal. Tailor your offers and messaging to specific audience segments based on their preferences, behaviors, or demographics. Personalization increases the relevance and effectiveness of your marketing, leading to higher conversion rates. Continuously test and optimize your conversion strategies to improve results. Experiment with different variations of landing pages, CTAs, email subject lines, and other elements to identify what works best for your audience. Remember, conversion is about providing value and solutions to your audience while effectively guiding them towards purchasing or taking the desired action. Profit is the ultimate goal of your ghost commerce brand, where you aim to maximize your monetization potential and generate revenue from your traffic. Here are some key strategies to achieve profitability. Partner with companies or brands as an affiliate and earn commissions for promoting and driving sales of their products or services. This allows you to monetize your audience by recommending relevant offerings. Collaborate with brands that align with your niche and create sponsored content such as sponsored posts, videos, or social media mentions. Brands pay you for featuring their products or services, leveraging your audience reach. Utilize advertising platforms like Google AdSense or display ads to generate revenue through ad impressions or clicks on your website, blog, or social media channels. You can also explore sponsored ads or collaborations with advertisers. Collaborate with complementary brands or influencers to create joint ventures, cross-promotions, or co-branded content. This expands your reach, introduces you to new audiences, and opens up opportunities for shared revenue. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or software. This allows you to leverage your expertise providing value to your audience and generate revenue directly. Offer premium content or exclusive access to a membership community or subscription service. This recurring revenue model provides ongoing income while fostering a loyal customer base. Set up an online store to sell physical products or utilize dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers to fulfill orders. This allows you to earn profits from product sales without needing inventory management. Ghost commerce provides a tremendous opportunity to build a successful online brand and create multiple income streams. With the power of technology and social media, reaching and monetizing a specific audience has never been easier. By following the 4 critical steps of branding, traffic generation, conversion, and profit maximization, you can unlock the potential for life-changing earnings. Whether you choose a personal, faceless, or business brand, remember that authenticity and value are crucial to connecting with your audience. Focus on providing education, entertainment, and solutions to their problems. Partnering with affiliate programs can elevate your marketing efforts and allow you to earn while focusing on promotion. Consider diversifying your revenue streams through sponsored content, advertising, partnerships, or even creating and selling digital products. In the world of ghost commerce, the possibilities are limitless. You can turn your passion into profit with the right brand, traffic strategies, and monetization methods. So, why wait? Step into ghost commerce, where dreams become reality and success knows no bounds. Prepare to make your mark, leave an unforgettable impression, and unlock a future filled with life-changing opportunities. The ghost commerce revolution awaits you. Let's make it happen. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.